Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. I have this 2018 Honda Civic. Alright, and I don't know if I did it before. I don't think so, but since I have it, I'm gonna throw it out there just so you know how to do the oil life reset in this Civic. Alright, 2018. Now there's two ways to do the oil life reset in this vehicle. As soon as you start the vehicle, the car is running right now, you're gonna see that message. All you gotta do is, oh, you know what, you're not gonna see that message, you're just gonna see something else. You just press this button right here and it's gonna take you to the main menu. This is the main menu. And you just scroll to the right or left, you gotta go to the wrench. Then press enter. It's gonna take you there. And all you gotta do from here is press the enter button, press it and hold it. Remember, it is B17, right? It says B17. Now let it go. You're gonna see that, right? Let's do all do items. You can do all do items or item B only. You can do that. But if you don't want to see no message at all in your cluster, do all do items. Alright, this is one way. The other way is through here. Press the home button. Go settings, then go vehicle, scroll down, go maintenance info. You're gonna see that B oil and filter. Select reset items. B is for oil and filter, and 1 for tire rotation, 2 for air filters, but you want to do only oil and filter, right? So press this one. You can press that one. Would you like to reset the maintenance information? Press reset and it's gonna reset it. All right. I'll need to do the oil, reset it now, but this is how you reset the oil life in this Honda Civic 2018, just so you know. Alright, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bang the subscribe button. Don't forget to destroy the like button and the feedback. Put it in the comment box for me and I catch you up later. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoy the video and it's very helpful for you. Catch you in the next one. Holla at your boy Stu Buru. Hey!